Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download a third-party app in Amazon Fire TV. Does it really work? So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Yes, downloading third-party apps on Amazon Fire TV does work, but it only works when done the right way, and there are important limits and risks to know. So what you need to know is Amazon Fire TV runs on Android. That means you can install APK files, Android apps that are not in the Amazon App Store, but some apps work perfectly, some work partially, and some don't work at all. How to download third-party apps? What you need is internet connection, download the app from the Amazon App Store, and APK file from a trusted source. So first, what you need to do is open up your Fire TV and then select settings from the top right corner of your screen. Then once inside, what you need to do is select My Fire TV, and inside My Fire TV you'll find an option that says Developer Options. And inside, what you need to do is simply enable install unknown apps. Then once done, what you need to do is from the App Store download the downloaded application and enable or allow the permissions for the app. Then once you are done with that, open up the downloaded application. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is copy or type the name of the app on the downloader and then tap on go and search for the app, and then simply select it and then install it and open it from your apps and channels. And this method really works and millions of users do this. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.